to make your life comfortable as much as you could, right? So as a Ethiopian family, they have a right to say, yo, my daughter has to date this and this and that. It doesn't mean that you have to accept it though. No, let me finish. It doesn't mean that you have to accept that. She have her own opinion. You have your own too. That's it. And the second thing you gotta understand is that, yes, I heard the voice. Like, Yoni, I'm sorry to say this, her mom said that. Recording, sorry, Daisy, I'm gonna tell him and I'm hard, okay? Literally word by word ያለችው ምንድነው? ለምንድን ነው ከዛው ከሀገርሽ እኔ አማራ እንደሆንኩኝ እያወቅሽ ከትግሬ ጋር የሆንሽው ሌላ ሰው ፈልገሽ አትይዥም ወይ የሚል ቃል በቃል ቮይስ ሪኮርዱን እኔ ላንተ ራሱ ሼር አደርግልህ ይችላል። I heard it word by word.
Okay.
So like one thing I want to clear, Daisy is not lying.
Yeah, I know she's not gonna lie to me about that.
So Ziga, like I just want to clear that up.
Okay.
Second thing, okay. So second thing, your mom can say that because that's politics, but it doesn't mean that you have to accept it. Okay, that's her own opinion. Just like he have his own opinion, like your boyfriend, right? He have his own opinion. It doesn't mean that everybody accepted it. It's just that it's an opinion. Everybody has their own opinion and they're entitled to it. Okay? So, two things is that I'm sorry to say this. You have a manipulative mom.
I know I do. Listen, by the way, this single mom, like whom so outer, like, oh, single mom, my father was taken from me, by the way.
I get it.
But nobody knows that though. Because again,
wait, Lauga, Andy, wait. What do you mean by that?
Well, listen, I know she, like Betiseb issues, you know how some families, they put their love fighting in between their children, right or wrong? Is there parents who do that?
That I give that part, yes, they do.
I love my father.
You can.
He has his own personal reasons. I was taken away from my father. Period. So this single mom, oh, everybody's acting like my dad never cared. I love my dad.
Did he take care of you though? I'm asking a question.
I don't know. Like, I don't know the child support. No, I'm not sure. Like the children. Well, that's the thing. She never tells me. I don't know if she had child support. I don't know. Maybe she'll tell lies.
Okay. Did your father told you about that one? Did you guys talk about it? You and your dad?
Well, I went 12 years without speaking to him. But when I was 19, like I drive like an hour to his house, and he said he will not tell me the truth until he's
ready.
About you?
No, until
he's.
Wow. Okay. So he don't want to talk about it. He wasn't saying anything bad about your mom though. He never said anything bad about your mom, or he did?
My dad and my mom, both of them have their own thing, but they should never. They should never put that in between their children. My father is my father. At the end of the day, my mother is my mother.
Okay.
Yoni, what's up, bro?
Sharko, you will talk for a minute. There's another guy before you, Sharko.
Bro.
There's another dude. Okay, website. የምትለው ነገር ካለ
እኔ በኩል ምለው ነገር ምን መሰለህ፣ ልጁ በሁለቱም ማከል መግባት አልነበረበትም ብዬ ነው የማምነው። በእናትና በልጅ ማከል ያ ሮንግ ነው የሰራው እና ብዙም ሰው አስተያየት የሚጽፈው ልጁ ከዚህ በፊትም የሰው አካውንት ምናምን እንደወሰደ ምናምን እየጻፉ ያየው ነው። አይ ቲንክ ልጁ ጋር ሚስቴክ ያለ ይመስለኛል በእኔ በኩል። በሁለቱም ማከል ባይገባ የተሻለ ነው በእናትና በልጅ ነው። አሁን በልጄ ማከል የሆነ ሰንበሪ ቢገባ የሚሰማኝ ስሜት አውቀዋለሁ። ለሁለቱ እናትና ልጅ ቢተውና ልጅቷን ወደ ትምህርቷ ብትቀጥል የተሻለ ነው ብዬ ነው የማስበው ባይገባ።
I appreciate that. ስለዚህ አሞራ I'm going to ask you a question. ከዚህ በፊት ሌላም እንደዚህ አካውንት አድርገህ ታውቃለህ?
ምንድነው አካውንት ብሮ?
አካውንት ማለት እንደዚህ ተቀባብለህ ታውቃለህ? ሌላ ሰው ዴት አድርገህ በአካውንት ደረጃ ይዘህ ከስር እየጻፉ ስለሆነ እውነት ይሁን ውሸት ካንተ እንስማው።
ይሄ ሌላ ሪዝን ነው።
ሌላ ሪዝን ነው? that means you did.
Yeah.
That means you did. Wait, ላውጋ አንዴ
ቆይ ስማ
you did?
ንገርክ ዮኒ ማኛ ተቀባብለን ሳይሆን አካውንቱ ተዘግቷል ገባህ መስማማት ስላልነበረ አካውንቱን አዘግተናል ይሄ እሱ ሌላ ሪዝን ነው ተውት ስለሱ ተው
no reason ቢሆን ከዚህ በፊት reputation ካለ we got to bring it up brother ስለዚህ ከዚህ በፊትም እንደዚህ አካውንት ይዘህ ካዘጋ there is a question
pattern የምንለው ነገር አለ there is a pattern
Yoni,
it does matter okay Sharko go ahead bro
let him think about it until I talk real quick.
okay go ahead
So if all like Daisy, I texted you on Instagram too. So if all this is real, right? Because you know you can't really trust people on social media and stuff. If all this is real, Daisy, what you're doing right now, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like it's a really, really like big shame. You feel me? Even if your mom was to do any of those things that you and whoever this dude is trying to blame your mom or whatever, I promise you, bro, you're gonna regret this like later.
Hyder, we're here for peace, Hyder.
Hold on. Let me finish. You're gonna regret it like later down the road, like because this your mom, bro. You only get one of those. This dude right here, bro.
Yes.
Let me finish, bro. This dude right here, bro. He didn't even fly you out, bro.
yeah
Okay,
this
Yoni,
let me finish.
I don't want anybody's opinion.
Daisy, let me
No,
finish, bro.
Yoni, Hyder,
Hold on, Daisy, hold on.
No.
This man right here, bro. The fact that he can even watch you sit up here and speak about your mom, this man don't even respect you for real.
No.
I promise you, bro. I promise you, he don't
bro.
respect you, bro. Like
Hyder.
that ass, bro. That's your mom, bro. At the end of the day, bro, you got 27,000 people here. You sitting up here talking about your mom, whether it's good or bad, bro. I mess with you, bro. You're cool. But what you're doing right now is completely wrong. None of these people care, bro. Nobody here cares about anything except your mom, bro. Your mom is the only one crying blood tears right now, bro. All these people is enjoying this
Okay,
shit,
no.
bro.
This is
You know what I'm saying? Like, like, what is you here for? Like, for this dude right here, he got a Kataro game with Johnny in whatever. That's what he's here to promote. That's it. He don't care about all this shit. He's here to promote his game, bro. That's it, bro. This man don't care nothing about you, bro. If this, I was listening the whole time. This man said on public, he does not love you, and he would never love you. So what is you exposing your mom for this?
No.
So what?
No.
So what? Why are you exposing your mom?
Yes, so if you let me explain, Hyder, before, you know, like maybe you would understand.
You've been explaining this whole time. I've been listening the whole time.
You don't know anything.
All you've
Hyder,
been doing is
bro.
trying to make your mom look bad, bro. Just so
Okay.
because that's why
Hyder.
when your mom was trying to expose
Hyder.
him, you kept saying, "Let him come apologize." Why? Because you don't
Hyder,
want
1
you
minute,
don't want your
please.
mom to keep exposing this guy. All that race thing, Tigray, whatever, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, your mom knows what's best for you, not these 27,000
Yoni,
people here, bro. No one cares about you except your mom, bro. Especially not this dude right here, Daisy.
got you let her talk for a minute okay you go ahead let me hear you
Yoni, you know why we're here. Like,
no, yeah but
I'm listening.
Daisy
I mean,
Daisy,
my mom,
No,
she was up here and I'm waiting for her to come back. Like, this is, nobody understands. It's okay. I don't need anybody's, you know, it's okay.
no I totally
but
get it
you
but
know
sometimes you gotta know
ላውጋ አንዴ
what to
please
say.
ላውጋ please በተራ ብናወራ ይሻላል አንዴ የሚውታል do you know he got another person he got an account he used to talk with
Who does he talk to?
before you he has another account he used to do the same thing exactly what he was doing with you and they are not together now do you know that or no
Okay, that's like his past. Like, everybody's hating. Like, I don't understand. Like, I don't know.
hating. I'm just letting you know what is going on. How you gonna think it is hating when I'm telling you, addressing what's going on?
like ዮኒ አንድ ነገር እኔ ገባ
Go ahead.
ኦኬ ይሄ ሌላ አካውንት ምናምን የሚባለው ሌላ ሪዝን ነው እሱን ጠለቅ ከፈለክም በሙሉ ልነግርህ እችላለሁ ገባ
ግን በፍቅር ጉዳይ ነው ሆኖ ይሄን መልሰው
ልንገርህ
ከፍቅረኛ ጋር ነው ይሄ ነገር አፕን ያደረገው ወይስ
ልንገርህ ይሄ ምንም ልንገርህ አዲስ አጀንዳ ያመጣ ይሄ ልንገርህ እሷን ለማሸነፍ ነው በቃ ተሸማቆ ልጅቷን እንዳያወጣት ማለት ነው ገባ
ለምን ነው የሚያሸማቅቀው?
ይሄ አካውንት ልንገርክ ዮኒ ማኛ አለና ፓስወርዱን ለራሱ የለኝም ልንገርክ ኮድ ወደ እርሷ ስልክ መጥቶ ነው የምትሰጠኝ ኢቭን ለራሱ ሙሉ በሙሉ ልታስወጣኝ ትችላለች ከዛ አካውንት ማለት ነው ገባህ ምንም ነገር እዛ የለኝም እሷን ለምን ደግሞ መጀመሪያ እናቷን ከዛ አካውንት ለምን እንዳወጣኋት እናቷን በደንብ አድርጋ ታውቃለች ገባህ ሶ አንድን ጉድ ለመሸፈን ባካችሁ ሁለተኛ ጉድ አታምጡ እኔ እናቷ ተሰደብ ያልኩኝ እንዴ እኔ እናቷን ዲስሪስፔክት አድርግ የሰማኝ ነው ሻርኳን ያልክ ያለው ብሮ
መሰለ ወንድም
ልንገርክ ብሮ
እኔ ምን እሷ የምትወዳት ከሆነ እንደውም በውስጥ አንተ የሁሉ ሰው ባለበት እናትሽን አታሰድቢ እናትሽን እንደዚህ አይነት ላይክ አይዲያ ሰው አይኖርበት ይሄ የፋሚሊ ቤተሰብ ብለህ ስማ ሻርኮ ብለሃል ሰማኛ ወንድ መሆን ብትወዳት እንደዛ ነው አንተ ግን ትፈልገዋለህ አንተ ይሄን ትፈልግ ነበረ እንደውም ዮኒ አይ ቲንክ እሱ ነው ያበረታታት እንደዚህ አድርጊና ሚዲያ ላይ ውጪ ያላት እሱ ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ ብሮ
አስባለሁ ነው ያለው በነገራችን ላይ ነው
አስባለሁ ነው ያልኩት ያው አስባለሁ እሱ ነው አበራቶ ዴዚን ውጪና ሚዲያ ላይ ተናገሪ ከዛ በኋላ ይሄ ሁሉ ነገር ይመጣል እና ይሄው ከጃኒ ጋር የሆነ ዴት ጌም ምናምን የተጫወተ አይደለ አንቺም ቢወድሽ እንደዚህ ያደርጋል ኦኬ
አንድ ነገር ቆይ ስቶፕ አንደኛ ነገር ጌሙን አቋርጫለሁ ወገን አንድ ቆይ ይሄ ለማስመሰልም ታርገው ነገር ምን
ይሻላል ያ ታቋርጥ ይሻላል
ሁለተኛ ነገር ልንገርካ ይሄ ጌም አዲስ ለኔ ጌም አይደለም አንድ ጌም ቢል ሌላ ጌም ይመጣል ከሁለት ወር ከሶስት ወር በኋላ ማድረግ ይችላል ስለ ጌም ማስበብ ያላቅም ገባ እኔ ጌም ማድረገው ለተቸገረ ምረዳበት ማንንም ያውቃል አንተ ስለማታውቀኝ ልታወራ ብዙ ይችላል አያፈቅርም ሰው አያፈቅራትም ሊባል አይችልም በማንንም ሰው ገብተህ እንደዚህ ልትል አትችልም ኦኬ
አታፈቅራትም ያቺኛዋ ባለፈው የነበረችው እሷን ተፈቅራት ነበር
ማንንም ልጅ
ባለፈው አሁን ዮኒ ጠይቀው እኔን አንግባባ መሰለኝ ጠይቀው ዮኒ
ማንንም ነበራችሁ
ማንነች
ዩኤክስ
የትኛው ኤክስ የለኝም ብሮ
እሺ
የቲክቶክ
ገባና ነገሮች እንዳይበለሻሹ
ማውራት እችላለሁኝ እኔ ለሴት እስኪ ቅድሚያ ስጥ
እሺ አንድ ደቂቃ ላውራ
ገና መግባትሽ እኮ ነው እንዴት ነው ጓልሽ
አንድ ደቂቃ ላውራ
ገና ከመግባት ጓ ይሄማ አይሰራ
አይ ቆይ አሞሬ አሁን አንተ ለሷ እንደዚህ እሷ ለአንተ ምን ያህል ዲፌንድ እንደምታደርግ እያየን ነው በአደባባይ ላይ ነገር ግን አንተ ለሷ እንዴት ነው ዲፌንድ የማታደርገው እሷን ከምትሰርባት ጋር ዲስሪስፔክትፉል ከምታደርጋት ሴት ጋር ቀጠሩ ጌም ፕላኑ ራሱ እንዴት ይመጣልሃል
Thank you that's a great question answer
bro it's okay ጌሙን ሰርጃለሁ ኦኬ
ኖ መሰረዙ ሳይሆን መጀመሪያ አሁንማ ላውጋ ይዞሃል አሁን የምጠይቅ ምንድነው እሷን ዴዚን ዲስሪስፔክት ከምታደርጋት ከማትወዳት ጋር first of all why you hang out with አንተ እውነተኛ አፍቃሪዋ እኮ why
እንዴ ምንም ጥልት ያላችሁ እንኩ
ዴዚ
ምንም ችግራችሁ ምንም ነገር ያላችሁ
ዴዚ do you get along with Johnny or not?
No, I don't like her.
Thank you. But he's
but
lying.
The thing is, TikTok is TikTok Malik's business. Like, it doesn't really matter to me. Like, literally.
Okay,
TikTok, what am I supposed to do? Like, it's...
Thank you. What I'm saying is, they don't got any problem. That's what he's saying.
I mean, like, me and Johnny, right? Me and Johnny, we never got along. Even from the beginning, we never got along. But, you know, sometimes we would play games and stuff, but we never got along. But okay. TikTok, you know, man, why do I care about that? I don't, like, I don't.
Let me ask you, are you okay is kicking with her?
Kicking? Like, what do you mean kicking?
I mean, like, talking, whatever you say. They were flirting big time. You know that. I know that.
ዮኒ ለምንድን ነው ወደ ሶስት ወደ አራት
ባይለኛው ፍለርት ታደርጋለህ ብሮ ይሄንማ ልትከዳቸው
ልንገርህ ኦኬ ዮኒ ወደ 5-6 አጀንዳ እንደገና እየዘሩ
አንተ ጋር ያለው ጉዝጓዝ እኮ ነው በቃ እሷማ she's a good girl out there Daisy is an amazing woman out there
ስማ ኦኬ
we know that
listen ዮኒ ማኛ ስመኛ አንዴ ከእናቷ ጋር ፒስ ፍጠር አለችን ባለፈው። ኦኬ ብለን ከእናቷ ጋር ግሩፕ ከፈትና ስለሌላ አሁን ነገር ተው። ገባህ? ዴዚ የምትፈልገውም ከሆነ ልንገር፣ እናቷ ጋር ነገም እኮ ለኔ አማች ትሆናለች። እናት
እንዴት ሆና ነው የምትሆነው በዚህ ደረጃ?
ምን ማለት ነው?
ከእሷ ጋር ዲስሪስፔክት እየተደራረግ ከእናቷ ጋር በሚያስቀይም ሁኔታ ነው አሁን ያላችሁት። እንዴት ነው ፒስ የምትፈጥሩት? ዩ ቴል ሚ
ብሮ። ሌላ ሳልሄድ ከሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ሳይ ብዙ ፍቅር እኮ በእንደዚህ አልፎ በእኛ
ይቅርታ አድርጉልኝ ዴዚ let me tell you one thing right and I promise you Daisy bro I promise you whatever motive he had on you cuz you're a good person. No matter what you do on TikTok, no matter what you do, whatever else, you're a good person. Even me and you, we've argued, we fought before, whatever, right? And we've always came back to being cool because you're a good person. I'm a good person. This man right here is not a good person for you, bro. I promise you that. Reason being, I'm gonna tell you one by one, bro. He got a bigger motive, bro. He got a bigger motive here, Daisy.
Masi, nobody asked.
I swear he got this man got a bigger motive, bro. It's bigger than just Daisy, bro. He's trying to use her and trying to nah, bro.
I feel you that part.
I swear he trying to play, bro. He trying to do what he do. He knows she got a little clout and I wouldn't be surprised if him and Johnny planned it out on her, to be honest.
Okay,
I don't trust nobody on the internet, bro.
እንደዚህ ብለህ ሊሆን አይችልም።
እናቷን መናገር በምንም መልኩ አልነበረብህም።
አንተ ማነህ? ከኢትዮጵያ መጣት ከኢትዮጵያ እንደዚህ የምታረጋት
ስለ ኤርትራዊ ስለተደረገ ነው። ሶሪ አም ሶ ሶሪ ፕሊዝ። ስለ ፖለቲካ አይደለም የምናወራው በዚህ ጋር።
ማነሽ አንቺ ደግሞ
ዱቄታ
አንተ ግን እኔ ግን ወደ ዘር የሚወስዱ ዘይኮ ዘር ጉዳይ አይደለም። ልጅ የጓደኛው እናት እንደዚህ ዲስሪስፔክት ማድረግ የለበትም። እንደገና ደግሞ I never ever see a daughter disrespect her mom just like this. እንደዚህ ማለት
he's trying to use her, bro. I promise you.
But one thing I will tell you. She's in love.
Yeah, she's so in love, miskin. That's bro.
She's in love, so she doesn't care what's going on.
Yoni, I don't know if you ever get a chance. Please.
He told her to get out, so that's what he did.
No.
Lema, Yoni, Galilai and Dinesh, by the way, let me tell you something. One thing about work. All this stuff he's getting exposed. By the way, I'm getting DMs crazy, Yoni, telling me about this man has done this to multiple women. I'll send you after this live, bro.
There's multiple
people are DMing me, bro. ብዙ ሰዎች ያላከሉ
መረጃዎች ከሱ ከመጡልኝና ወሮ በላ ከሆነ ኤክስፖዝ አደርገዋለሁ።
ወሮ በላ ነው።
I promise.
ችግሩ ምን መሰለ ማግኘት አላቅም። እኔ ስታተሱን ፔፐር ወርኩ እኔ ይቅርታ አድርግልኝ። one of the motives like status ነው። እኔ እቺ እንደዚህ ማድረጉ ወደ አሜሪካ ለምንጣት ሁለተኛው ነገር ደግሞ ቅድም እኔ ስላልጨረስኩኝ ነው እንጂ ነግራታለሁ ብዬ ሎንግ ዲስታንስ ዳዝንት ወርክ አም ሶሪ ሎንግ ዲስታንስ ማናችሁ ፍቅር አይደለም።
እሱ ዲሳይድ ማድረግ አንችልም። የተወሰኑ ሰዎች የሰራላቸው አሉ፣ ግን they are young ገባ በአመቱ ያገባታል የሚል እቅድ የለኝም።
አረ ወይ ማግኘት ገና 20 አመቷ እኮ ነች እቺ እንደ አንድ
እሱ ነው ማለት 20 አመቷ ሆነ እሱ ደግሞ 22 ሆኖ ሊጋቡ አይችሉም። እሱ አንደርስታንድ አጣ he gonna use her absolutely yes ምክንያቱም ሲናገር አብሶሉትሊ አብሬ ላስታርቀው ስል እሱ ነበር ያስቸግረኝ። አልፈልጋትም ቃል በቃል አልፈልጋትም። ኮንትሮሊንግ ናት
እና አሁን ያዋጣው
few months ago he talked about now ምን አግኝቶ መጣ ነው የኔ ጥያቄ። እቺ መስኪን ስለሆነ ስለምትወደው ስለሚያውቅ they told him he gonna benefit a lot of things from it.
አሁን ጌም አለው አለዛ ነው።
እሱ ብቻ አይደለም ግን አንድ ነገር ያልተረዳው ዮኒ አም ሶሪ ተሰይደስ እናትየዋም ግን ትክክል አይደለች። ማኒፑሌቲቭ ነች። አም ሶሪ ዮኒ
ቢሆንም እናትየው እዚህ ላይ she shouldn't be disrespected by her daughter, bro. If listen, ከዮኒ ጋር ራሱ በውስጥ ዴዚ ስማኝ ዴዚ ደውላ ለዮኒ እናቴ ጋር እንደዚህ ችግር አለ በውስጥ እንጨርስ ማለት ትችል ነበር። ይሄ ሰውዬ ግን ዴዚ ሚዲያ ላይ እንድትወጣ ይፈልጋል። ለምን? ለራሱ ፕሮሞሽን ለራሱ እንትን ዴዚ ውጪ ወጣ እንደዚህ እንድትሆን ትፈልጋል። I'm telling you, bro.
Andy.
And no matter what your mom did, don't put her out in public, bro.